Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. This is a very special video because my friends over at the Home Depot have sent me an awesome tool set to review. That being said, this video is sponsored by the Home Depot and all opinions expressed are solely my own. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, this video is going to be all about Gearwrench 81039. As you can see, it comes with a lifetime warranty. It is a 55-piece ratchet and driver bit set. It's going to come with standard and metric sockets, 2 adapters for the sockets for the ratchets, a 4-inch extension, and then all of these awesome driver bits. The standard sockets are going to range from 3/16 all the way up to 9/16. As you can see, 6-point 1/4-inch drive. The metric are going to range from 4mm all the way up to 13mm. These handles are really nice, polished chrome. We've got the 6-inch and the 12-inch ratchets. And a nice 4-inch extension. These heads are very slim. They've got a nice turning head with grip. And can be adjusted to go any angle. The driver bit set that this kit comes with is pretty extensive. Also has a nice hard carrying case and a way for you to put it on your belt loop or attach it to whatever you want. As for the bits themselves, we've got quite the assortment, starting with Phillips bits 1, 2, and 3. We've got slotted bits, standard and metric. We've got a whole assortment of hex bits, starting at an 1/8 inch, all standard and metric, so 1/8 inch up to 5/16, and then 3mm all the way up to 8mm. We've also got Torx bits starting at T10, going all the way up to T50. So pretty good assortment, I would say. So now that we've gone over everything that this 55-piece toolkit comes with, I just want to say that as a technician, this is something that I would buy, even if this wasn't a sponsored video by Home Depot. All of these 1/4-inch drive sockets are something that I already regularly use. Gearwrench is a brand I already regularly love. These slimline ratchets, especially this 12-inch one, I am super stoked about using that. These slimline ratchets are great for doing things in wheel wells, other small projects inside the car, as well as any fender liner projects, stuff like that. Yeah, it's definitely a handy tool to have, and these ratchet heads just seem to be getting more slim. So I'm super thankful that the Home Depot reached out and asked me to review this tool set. Again, that is Gearwrench part number 81039, this 55-piece ratchet and bit driver set. Thank you, Home Depot. Thank you to you guys if you're still watching out there, and I hope you liked my little tool review. Otherwise, till next time.